Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-cash in to your Gcash account using the cash in machine na makikita natin sa Alfamart like Touch Pay, eTap, and Pay and Go. But before we start, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Euanimous Friends, madali lang gamitin yung mga cash in machine na makikita natin sa Alfamart. First, select natin ng Gcash Cash In. Then, enter your 11-digit Gcash mobile number. And then, cash in amount kung magkano ito. Like, 800 pesos ang ipapasok ko. And then, proceed. Then, may dalawang choices, pay cash or use may sukle. Kung wala naman sukle, so pay cash natin. Then, insert the cash payment. So, once na umilaw na ito, pwede na natin ilagay yung payment natin. Yan, isa-isa natin itong ipapasok once na umilaw na yung insert cash na nakalagay sa baba. And the last step, you can request the receipt. So, press lang natin, yes, I want the receipt. And then, you can receive the receipt to the cash-in machine. And then, makaka-receive din kayo ng text message mula sa 11-digit number na nilagay ninyo sa cash-in machine natin. So, Euanimous Friends, until next video, I love you!